A beautifully updated 4+1 bedroom home with 4 washrooms, nestled in a family-minded neighborhood within the Westney Heights community of Central West Ajax. Welcome to 178 Ravenscroft Road. Featuring a brick exterior, a double-car garage, and a backyard with lots of entertaining space, this home showcases just over 2,100 square feet of living space, plus a fully developed lower level, and has been freshly painted and newly updated from top to bottom. The interlocking walkway leads to an enclosed mudroom with porcelain flooring, and through the entry door is a main level showcasing oversized porcelain floor tiles as well, which flow from the reception area and related spaces through to the kitchen, while new hardwood flooring finishes the open concept formal living and dining rooms. Exuding an aura of modern elegance, these entertaining spaces have large west and north-facing windows complete with California shutters, and enhancing their light neutral color is a beautiful contemporary chandelier in the dining area as well as pot lighting, which is also featured throughout this level. California shutters also dress the window in the family room and the sliding door walkout to the backyard in the kitchen, which is directly accessible from the dining room for entertaining convenience. Featuring a light color palette and stainless steel accents for an incredibly bright and modern design, the kitchen showcases crisp white cabinetry with glass-paneled accent doors, contemporary hardware, and a pantry, quartz counters and backsplashes, and a stainless steel double undermount sink, dishwasher, range hood and oven with smooth surface cooktop, as well as a French door fridge with bottom mount freezer. Also a convenience while entertaining, the kitchen is directly accessible from the family room, with this elegant and quite large casual gathering space featuring hardwood flooring, as well as the coziness of a wood-burning fireplace with floor-to-ceiling brick mantle. The backyard has 2 gated entries, and this fully fenced outdoor entertaining space has a stone patio area as well as a tiered deck, the upper tier surrounded with a railing, the lower tier finished with built-in seating. And the main level additionally features a double coat closet, a powder room with pedestal sink, and a laundry room with washer, dryer, a secondary staircase to the lower level, as well as a side door entry that provides access to the backyard and to the garage. To the upper level is a staircase updated with hardwood treads and wrought iron pickets, with this level featuring hardwood flooring throughout, as well as large windows complete with California shutters in the 4 bedrooms and in the main washroom. The second, third, and fourth bedrooms are quite spacious, feature ample closet storage, and in addition to the plentiful natural lighting, all showcase beautiful flush mount light fixtures. These 3 bedrooms share the main 4-piece washroom, which has tiled finishes throughout, a bath and shower area with sliding glass doors, as well as a wall-to-wall vanity with a stone counter and contemporary vanity lighting. The master bedroom has a serene and restful aura and showcases a very spacious sitting area, pot lighting, as well as his and her closets off the short hall leading into its ensuite washroom. This washroom has oversized porcelain floor tiles, an oversized subway-tiled glass shower area with rainfall shower head, and a vanity with stone counter and undermount basin. Professionally finished and newly updated with high-end vinyl plank flooring and contemporary light fixtures throughout, the lower level provides ample household storage and features a large bedroom with a double-door entry and an oversized basement window. A three-piece washroom with an acrylic shower area with glass door and a vanity with stone counter, as well as a kitchenette with a stainless steel double undermount sink, oven and built-in microwave, a stone counter, and cabinetry with a wood grain veneer finish. The L-shaped recreation area is quite large in size, providing abundant living, entertaining, and dining space, and with a second set of stairs that are accessible from the main level laundry room, this level is very well suited as an in-law suite. A short walk to Lester B. Pearson Public School and close to the McLean Community Center, Millers Creek Community Park, and local shopping plazas, this home is also minutes from the Durham Center Shopping Mall, while the GO Station, access to Highway 401, and Ajax's beautiful waterfront parks are all just short drives away.